21. Deflected. Still by jersey number 10. Now jersey number 23. Drop pass to 10. Fake. Foul. Rebound by 28. Pass deflected. That was in jersey number 5. Now jersey number 5 dribbling the ball. Pass to the corner. To jersey number 30. Back to 21. Now deflect. Out. Pass deflected. Still was in jersey number 21. Still from behind. Pass break to jersey number 23. Side step. Lapaw. Rebound by jersey number 10 to 05. Out of bounds. Now jersey number 5, pass to 21, to 19, back to 21, 3-point attempt, no good, out of bounds. Now jersey number 05, harassed by jersey number 5, jersey number 05, pick, pull up jumper, no good, rebound again by jersey number 19, pass to there's a whistle, foul, committed by jersey number 21. And dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 30. 3-point attempt, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 28. Pass to 21. To the middle to jersey number 35. 3-point attempt, no good. Out of bounds. 23. Harassed by jersey number 5. Now he's dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 21. To 23. Pull up jumper. There's a whistle. Oh, basket. O isa lang, 1 out of 2.
20-25.
Last kill by jersey number 23. Jersey number 23. Traveling violation. To the ball, screen by jersey number 21. Pass to 19. Drop pass kill by jersey number 13. Now jersey number 10 dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 23. Pass break to jersey number... Nakuha sa jersey number 34. Pass to jersey number 21. Now jersey number 21 to 30. Tauhay.
27-20.
Nakuha sa jersey number 19. Pass to jersey number 34. 3-point attempt. Now jersey number 23, harassed by jersey number 21. Jersey number 23, pass to 30, fake. Hatakan ba yung fade away, bang! 2 points.
22-30.
Oh, hello, Abanse. A steal against on jersey number 23. Back to back. Oh, Abanse. Foul. And jersey number...
Not counted. Offensive foul.
Now jersey number 21 to 34, asking for screen. Jersey number 34 to 21, another 3-point attempt, no good. A rebound. Jersey number 28, harassed by jersey number 7. Jersey number 28 dribbling the ball. Crossover. Pass to jersey number 17. Now jersey number 17, pass to 30 in the middle. Tauhay off the glass, 2 points. Ano mo ba si?
24-30. Macau. Yake.
Jersey number 34, screen by 28, pass to jersey number 7, back to 34. Now jersey number 34 in the middle to 19, layup no good. Rebound by 28, pass to 19, 10 to shoot.
Basket by Clarito. 24-32. 8-point lead.
Oh, balik sa walo. Now jersey number 28. Harassed by jersey number 34. Jersey number 28. Kick out to jersey number 10. Pull up jumper. No good. Nagdilap lang. Nice box out by jersey number 30. Pass to 28 to jersey number 34. Now he's dribbling the ball. Pass to 19. Attacking the basket. Side step on the glass.
Back basket by Clarito. 24-34.
Now jersey number 17. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 19. Now he's dribbling the ball. Pass to 34. Back to 19. Teardrop. No good. taken by jersey number 19, 3-point attempt, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 28, spin move, held by glass, no good. Jersey number 30, teardrop, dahil ang replay. O 26-34. 4 minutes and 40. Now jersey number 5. Screen by jersey number 34. Attacking the basket, kick out to the corner. Pass in the middle to jersey number 5. 3-point attempt.
Avance, 37-26.
So the ball game. Now jersey number 34. Attacking the basket. Offensive foul. Jersey number 34, that is your first personal foul. 4 minutes and 15. Back to the ball game. Now jersey number 30. Attacking the basket, pull up jumper. No good. Rebound by jersey number 19. Pass to 21. Now jersey number 21 dribbling the ball. Pass to 19. Attacking the basket, kick out to the corner to jersey number 5. Traveling by the jersey number 10. At 23, dribbling the ball. Out. Steal. Right there. Jersey number 13. Pass to jersey number 11. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 13. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound by 19. Pass to jersey number 5. Pass to 7. Taway. Alright. Time out. Wala nakamutan out sa first half. Jersey number 23. Harassed by 21. Pass to jersey. Steal na naman. Now jersey number 7. Attacking the basket, goes to Kozo. 2 points. 43-26. Please use it. Avance. Jersey number 10, pull up jumper back.
43-28. 15-point lead. Bacau.
Now jersey number 5. There is a whistle. Now jersey number 23. Dribbling the ball. Harassed by jersey number 12. Now jersey number 23. Wow! Naminami sa pasa! O
43-30.
2 minutes and 20. 43-30. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebounded in by jersey number 13. Pass to jersey number 23. Pass to jersey number deflected. Steal by jersey number 23. Pass to jersey number 5. Now jersey number 5. Attacking the basket. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 30. Pass to 23. To jersey number 05. Speed move. Attacking the basket. Kick out to jersey number 26. Back to back. 2 points. Now jersey number 26.
Back. The lead is out to 11. 43-32.
1 minute and 14. On 7-6. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 13. Pass to jersey number 23. Now jersey number 23. Dribbling the ball. Harassed by jersey number 12. Offensive foul. In the jersey number 5. Jersey number 30, fake. Back to jersey number 21, Cabos. 50 segundos. Jersey number 5, another fake. Fly by move. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebounded by jersey number 21. Pass to 5. 10 to shoot. Now jersey number 26, attacking the basket. Cabos, 20.
20 seconds.
15. 10, jersey number 5. Basket count. Buzzer beater, 34-48.